Hello to world people, hope you all are really great and passing a good time. Now I am going to disclose your all-in-one network platform that is excellently nice to generate money. If you face financial crisis, hope using this site you can be independent. And if you want to be a richest individual, use this site to generate unlimited money. Now I am going to show you everything in details. How to generate money from here. First of all, see the global ranking of our site. Look here. Okay, now come to the point. How to generate money. Number 1. Very simple. WebTalk value your time and content. When you log in, you generate money as well as making post, reading others' content, viewing others' profile, clicking on ad generate more money. Finally, even when you log out, you will earn. Meaning what you do on Facebook, if you do same in WebTalk you can earn. Because WebTalk share their 50% revenue back to users. Now if you refer other people, and they use it, make post, read others' content and how many points they get, you also get same points. Suppose you referred 10 people, each of them gets every day 2,000 points. So, you will get 2,000 * 10 equals 20,000 points per day. It is a simple earning from just advertisement or ad reward pool. Now come to the main income source. When you sell Pro subscription, you will get 10% commission. If you are a Pro member, you will unlock your 5 level. And from every Pro sell through 5 level you will get 10% of Pro subscription. Now look how it works. In future, you will get marketplace comms, travel commissions, swag shop comms and job services comms through your 5 level. So, if you want to do any online business, WebTalk takes first priority for you to do all kind of business through WebTalk. If you want to know more about WebTalk, please sign up by my link or use my user ID to sign up there.